Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Hi, guys. My name is Diva Decorating, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am extending an open invitation for Diva's Dynasty Tablescape Sunday. Now, guys, our Tablescape Sunday this week is being hosted by the lovely Mysterious Alberta. The rest of the Diva's Dynasty is Lynn from Lifestyle Living, Cynthia from Cynthia She's So Blessed, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and myself, Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And guys, this Sunday's themed tablescape will be called Your Style, Your Creation Fall Tablescape Sunday. Now, the rules and the details for this open invite is you're going to title your video with a hashtag. And again, that hashtag is Your Style, Your Creation Fall Tablescape Sunday. You are to include the hashtag in your title or either your description box. Now, there will be a twist to this tablescape. Now, for your centerpiece on your tablescape, you must create a fall vignette, your choice, your style. And as you can see here, I have a little sample of a fall vignette. I have my crystal pumpkin, I have my crystal bling candle vase, and I have just a little candle here sitting atop this crystal mirror tray. Now, guys, I could not put all my fall stuff on this tray. I really want to put more of my traditional items on here, but I cannot store everything in my house for every season. So right now, my fall stuff is over my daughter's house being stored. And this week, I'm gonna have to go grab all that stuff so I can create my tablescape. But these are the items that I already had in my home that I keep here. So I had the pumpkin and I had the floral. So this is what a vignette should look like. You could use a tray or you don't have to. You could just have your items paired because a vignette is an array of small items, okay? You can have as many items in your vignette as you would like, but please make it a fall vignette, okay? Now, we're also to mention all the hosts and the co-hosts and their channel links in your description and in your video. You're to upload the video on August 23rd, 2020, anytime after 12 a.m., which is our standard time for uploading. And please do not enter no earlier than that, okay? And we're to have some fall tablescape fun. So guys, that's it for the rules and for all the details. I hope to see you for Tablescape Sunday with your fall tablescape and your fall vignette. I can't wait to see all your beautiful videos and see what you came up with. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.